Hey there. People have various ways of talking about their hunger, and I'm going to share with you some common expressions and vocabulary that reflect the range of emotions and intensities associated with hunger, from mild cravings to extreme hunger pangs. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. So, you can say, I haven't eaten all day, I'm starving. After that long hike, I'm famished. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. After the workout, I'm absolutely ravenous. I haven't eaten breakfast and my stomach is growling. I have a busy day ahead, but I need to grab a bite to eat. I'm feeling peckish. Let's have some light snacks. I forgot to pack my lunch and now I have an empty stomach. I didn't have time for breakfast and now I'm running on empty. I haven't eaten all day and now I'm getting hangry. I have been working all day without eating and now I'm running on fumes. I forgot my lunch and now I am on an empty tank. I haven't had dinner yet and my stomach feels like it's eating itself. I'm so hungry I could devour anything in sight. I haven't had a meal in hours, and now I'm running on low blood sugar. I don't know why, but today I'm feeling like a bottomless pit. And the last one, after that intense workout, I'm in need of sustenance. And that's all. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.